Amazon Storefronts are a recent-ish innovation, part and parcel of the brand registry suite of products and services that Amazon offers. But what the hell is that? And more importantly, how do you make it look really, really good? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you with some examples how I think you should lay out your Amazon Storefront. Let's go. Your own website on Amazon's website. Okay, your own websites on Amazon's website. So here is a place where you can have all of your products on display within the Amazon architecture infrastructure. So the idea being you get to keep them all in your store versus them going off and going and checking out other products. You keep them all in the one area, and it's this brand idea, brand store idea that Amazon's really pushing for. I suspect this was pushed by bigger brands that Amazon couldn't get onto the platform in an effort to try and get them onto the platform so they weren't having to compete with other sellers, Chinese sellers, things like that, okay? Anyway, so that's the basic premise of it. So you get to put your stuff up onto Amazon. This is a really cool brand. This is a multi-million-dollar brand. Very, very cool idea. By the way, you might want to think about something like this for Australia. Anyway, it's essentially that, and it also gives you, as well, as a result of that, it also gives you the ability to run advertisements on your brand pages themselves to keep people on your brand, and also outside of Amazon's brand page to bring people into your brand page. Okay, so there's some advertisements that we run through something called DSP that are only useful or only used with stores. Okay, very, very cool thing to do. Let me show you another one. This is also a very, very cool thing as well. PK Grills, again, multi-million-dollar brand. Anyway, so, and you can see, look, you get videos, you get all sorts of neat stuff on there as well, and it's accessed through Seller Central, through the stores on Seller Central. You just get to set it up. You've got to have brand registered though, yeah? You don't get it unless you're brand registered. But it's very, very cool. There's heaps of good stuff on there. Yeah. Hey there, this is Neil-Asher from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. I want to say a big, big thank you for watching this video. That video actually was from the regular Monday night Q&A session, excuse me, that I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. Over 2,500 of us now, and growing, by the way. We're the fastest growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs right here in Australia, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. Now, if you'd like to find out more about what we do at the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs and get yourself off there and come and join us, all you need to do is go to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. AussieOnlineEntrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that, by the way, is underneath this video, and I will welcome you with open arms and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Till then, have a good one. Bye.